Hey, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about the grain delay in under a minute.
Okay, let's go to our grain delay. You've got an XY pad, of course. You've got delay time. Anytime you click on these, the XY pad correlates to each one of these parameters. So here's a feedback one. This is the random pitch one, pitch, frequency, and so on. Once you've set all your parameters, you can start to basically allow the dry wet signal to how much of all of these you want through. I'm going to go to my user library, put this on afterwards. And I'm absolutely going to add a notch as well. Of course, I'm leaning towards drum and bass because that's what I love to make. It's a lot of fun using these delays, and especially if you are interested in film music, it's definitely worth exploring.